I'm coming from the industry background. I'm not 100% academic. So being in industry for 16 plus years, my experience in industry, it's a major kind of an input for me to be play in this kind of a big project like Australian Cobotics Centre. I think it's a great privilege to work with industry partners and the key academics in this field as well. Because my research questions are having a theoretical contribution as well as the practical organizational level contribution and industry contribution as well. So all these impacts to be explored, I need to have a kind of a good collaboration with the industry. At the same time, I was privileged under the Queensland, work with the Queensland government as well in the policy perspectives. And QET is having a history for diversity researchers. So I'm getting all these three kind of collaborations to get my expected level of outcome. I'm very much open to versatile kind of jobs because industry experience for the 16 years, generally PhD student does not have, but I have that privilege. And combined with the academic knowledge and academic literature and associate with academic thinking is enhancing my capability. So I'm open to both. So I don't know that where I'm going to sit on, but I know that my capabilities are really brushing up with this. My PhD, and especially under the Australian Cobotics Centre, will give me a very good exposure to be working any industry jobs or the academic jobs.